Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. We are back in the Westwood house. We are almost complete. As you can see, we are so close to the finish. Just a few weeks left is all we've got. But today, I've got someone here in the house that I want to introduce you to. You've seen his work, you've seen the products that they do, but today you get to meet the man. So this is Tyler with Dovetails Tenons. He is our main fabricator of all of our cabinets and custom pieces, but I want to talk to him a little bit. What was the things today in this project, or at least in this project, that you guys really liked about? We had a lot of stuff that went on here. We had a lot of custom pieces, but what were the things that you really liked?
Well, I really like this island. I think this island really brings out the space in this kitchen. It's going to have a lot of usable countertop space and also space to sit down and eat and prep dinner and meals.
Yeah, it made a huge impact in this kitchen. Before, I don't know if you guys can remember, but we had a galley style kitchen. This part of the kitchen wasn't even here. This was a wall. Now we've opened up everything, and this has made such a big impact. You guys did an amazing job on this. I love that we've got white bases here, black behind us. The client and the designer are making all the right choices. But what are some of the things? I know we had a lot of issues on this house. It's really old, it's out of level. We tried to fix some of that in the framing, but what really kind of hit you guys was the difficult spot for you?
A lot of it was just the old house, like you said. We had floors that were out of level, and we had walls that were out of plumb. We had to work with what we had, and we were able to put in the cabinets, and we got it done, and we succeeded, and now we've got a beautiful looking kitchen.
So tell me a little bit about what some of the things are that you guys do. The guys have seen other projects, we've seen some other cabinets from you, but what else do you guys like to do and build?
We build everything from tables to little armoires to bookshelves to fireplaces. We'll do pretty much whatever the client or the designer wants.
So somebody can come to Dovetails and Tenons with a dream and a thought, and you guys can build it? I mean, you can do a custom piece?
Yep.
Sweet. Okay, well that's good. So, well, in that aspect then, how does somebody find you guys? How do they get in touch with you?
Well, we're on Instagram at Dovetails and Tenons. We're on Facebook at Dovetails and Tenons, and also a great place to go see some of our stuff is our website, dovetailsandtenons.com.
Is there any place around that they can go and check out some of the work that's been out there?
Yeah, actually, we've recently just finished up some work at Messenger Cafe, and if you want to go check out some of that stuff, we've done tables there, and we've done an island behind the main bar. Beautiful work, really well designed, and it's something that I'm really proud to show off.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. I can't wait to see some of those things. So, hey, I want to finally just kind of show you guys, we've got some videos coming up that I'm super excited about. We are almost finished, like I said, with this project, and you're going to see a total, complete series from the day one to day whatever we're at. Actually, I don't even know anymore. It's been such a project, but I can't wait to show you guys those. It's super exciting. We've had so much fun making them. I hope you guys really like them and check them out. But you can check us out if you need anything at olivebranchcontracting.com. You can check our Facebook page out. Hit up on all the videos. Say you like them, don't like them. Just let us know what you think so we can keep making more of the content that you guys want. So thanks so much for checking us out. Take care and have a great week.